the business report. Jamaican patty chain Juicy Patties is expanding its Caribbean footprint, seeking franchise partners in Trinidad and Tobago as it targets the opening of about 20 restaurants across the Twin Island Republic. Juicy Patties currently operates 66 locations in Jamaica and has expanded rapidly in the United States, with more than 30 restaurants opened and additional locations under construction across 11 states. The company says Trinidad and Tobago is the next step in its regional growth strategy as it seeks entrepreneurs committed to quality service and business development. Denise Williams brings us the latest market updates.
For the trading period of July 29, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kingston Wharves Limited with 6,555,504 units, representing 28.48% of market sales. Jamaica Stock Exchange with 4,992,577 units, representing 17.12% of market sales. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,167,607 units, representing 14.29% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution, finance, and transportation, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 29, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. Trading margins for the US dollar reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.09 and buying at $157.39. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.74 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.34 and was bought for $109.60. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.61 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.33 and was bought for $206.72. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, when professionals over the age of 45 face a career transition, the conversation usually centers on updating your resume, building new skills, or expanding a network. Rarely does anyone mention their credit report. Yet from a lender's perspective, financial readiness often determines how quickly someone can take advantage of a new opportunity. Whether it's launching a business, relocating for a new role, or managing a temporary reduction in income, access to credit can make the transition smoother. A strong career history is valuable. A strong credit history is equally important. One reflects your professional reputation. The other reflects your financial credibility. As careers become less predictable, both deserve regular attention. So the question isn't whether your career will change, it's whether your finances are prepared when it does. For our Funded and Focused feature, we ask, what if the biggest obstacle to funding isn't your business? It's your pitch. Too many entrepreneurs spend their time explaining what they need today. Investors and lenders want to know what you'll build tomorrow. Instead of presenting a list of financial challenges, present a roadmap for growth. Show them where your business will be in 5 years, the milestones you'll reach, and how their capital will help accelerate that journey. Money follows momentum. A compelling vision, backed by a credible plan, is often more persuasive than a desperate need for cash. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.